Hello there. Today I'll be sharing a simple recipe of an authentic dish of Telangana called aloo barada. It's very simple to make, yet it's very delicious. Kindly check for the ingredients here. This is how it's done. Take a hot pan with oil in it. Throw some chana dal, split urad dal, and when they flutter, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, followed by dry red chilies, and good amount of curry leaves. This is a simple tempering which we will give to this recipe. When the tempering is done, add finely chopped onions. If you want them small, chop them small. I like it like this. So add them and cook for few minutes with salt added. The salt should be enough for the whole curry in general. So check accordingly and add it. And now add finely chopped garlic to this. Garlic is what which gives flavor to this whole recipe, so it should be in good amount. I've taken like 5 garlics. Add some turmeric to this and let them cook together for few minutes till they turn brown, but not burn them. We want them in brown, little roasted. That is what I would call it. They are ready to go. Now add the potatoes. The potatoes should be in medium size, not too small. Just cut it in cubes and just give it a good mix so that the oil masalas are coated well to the potatoes, and put the lid on and cook them for about 5 to 8 minutes till they become little soft. Not fully cooked, but till they become little soft. This is what I want. Now to these potatoes add besan and coat the potatoes with the besan slowly. Give it a light hand mix. That's it. You don't have to over mix them. You just have to coat them lightly. That's it. That looks good. And to this add chili powder and the coriander powder and do the same process of mixing. You don't have to over mix them. If you're not able to mix them, leave it, because we'll be adding water after mixing this. Add about 60 ml of water, which will bring together all the ingredients. This will make your ingredients wet. Don't add more water so that the basin will look soupy. You just have to add water enough till everything becomes wet. That's it. Put the lid on and let it cook for about 5 to 8 minutes till your potatoes become soft and the basin becomes crumbly in texture. The basin is still wetty and mushy, but the potato seems to be cooked. Just crush half of the potatoes and leave the other half, and you still have to cook it for a little longer because the basin is still wet and mushy. We want it totally dry and powdery, crumbly like the breadcrumbs texture. So keep mixing in between so that you don't burn your basin. And this is good to go. My basin seems to have turned crumbly and is reddish brown in color, which is what I want. This is how it looks. Gorgeous, isn't it? It's dry, crumbly. This is the texture we want. Eat it with rice and pachupulsu or rasam. Do try this. Thank you so much.